The Earth is always moving. It spins like a top. It races around the sun. But did you know that the continents move too? It's true. They drift across the Earth's surface like giant rafts. And one continent is on an epic journey, Australia. It's heading north. Australia is moving about 7 centimeters each year. That might not seem like much, but over millions of years it adds up. Australia is creeping closer and closer to Asia. What will happen when these two continents collide? Australia wasn't always where it is today. Millions of years ago, it was connected to Antarctica. They were part of a supercontinent called Gondwana. But slowly, over time, this supercontinent broke apart. Australia began its long journey north. It drifted across the Earth's surface. It moved from the icy grip of the South Pole to the warm waters of the equator. This journey transformed Australia's landscape and wildlife. One day, Australia will collide with Asia. This won't happen for millions of years, but when it does, it will be spectacular. The collision will crumple the Earth's crust. Towering mountain ranges will rise. Volcanoes will erupt, spewing fire and ash into the sky. The impact on wildlife will be immense. Animals from two continents will meet. Some will compete for resources. Others might interbreed, creating new and fascinating hybrids. Imagine kangaroos hopping through the forests of Southeast Asia. The Earth is a dynamic, ever-changing planet. Continents drift, mountains rise and fall, oceans form and disappear. These changes happen slowly, over millions of years, but they remind us of the awesome power of nature. Australia's northward drift is just one example of our planet's constant movement. It's a reminder that the Earth is not static, it's a living, breathing entity. So keep looking up at the stars, keep exploring the world around you, and never stop wondering about the mysteries of our incredible planet.